include enough protein in your weight loss diet plan. When it comes to weight loss, the only truly healthy way to do it is to get a certain amount of exercise every day and by following a healthy diet that is well balanced and contains all of the nutrients that you need in order to be healthy. Other diets that promote weight loss but are not rich in nutrients are not healthy and can actually lead to a number of health problems that will outweigh any weight problems, including malnutrition. Many foods that are high in protein are also high in calories, so it is important to figure out which protein foods are right for a weight loss diet. You can also use protein-rich foods as snacks, as they are filling and you aren't going to end up feeling hungry a few minutes after eating. How much protein do you need in your weight loss diet? The amount of protein a person needs in their weight loss diet depends on 4 factors: age, health, gender, and level of activity. According to the American Heart Association, the American Diabetes Association, and a number of other health organizations, the average adult should have about 35% of their daily caloric intake coming from protein. This may seem like a lot, but it is easy to get enough protein from dietary sources that are very good for any weight loss diet. What is protein and why do we need it? Protein is a macronutrient that our bodies need if we want to live healthy and happy lives. Protein is essential for muscle and soft tissue maintenance and helps the muscles and tissues recover following injuries, traumas, or surgeries. Every cell in our bodies is made from protein and our bodies would not function properly without this macronutrient. Protein is made from chains of amino acids. There are 2 types of proteins, complete and incomplete. Complete proteins are proteins that contain all of the essential and non-essential amino acids, while incomplete proteins do not contain all of the amino acids. If you want to figure out how much protein you should be getting in your diet, there is an easy way to figure it out. All you need to do is take your body weight and divide it by 2.2. Then, multiply it by one of the following numbers, by 0.4 if you are sedentary or inactive, by 0.5 to 0.8 if you are moderately active, such as a short walk daily, by 0.8 to 1 gram if you are very active, such as daily workouts. If you are very obese and do not know what you need in a diet that will promote weight loss, it is important that you visit your physician. It may be that you even need to undergo weight loss surgery, if your obesity has gone too far. But if your physician feels that you can control your weight through your diet, he or she will help you put together a weight loss diet that will work for you. Typically, a healthy diet will consist of 35% proteins, 50% good carbohydrates, and 15% good fats. Even when you are following a weight loss diet, you need to have a certain amount of fat and carbohydrates. In fact, fat, carbohydrates, and protein are all macronutrients that our bodies depend on to stay healthy. It is just important to remember that the carbohydrates must be good, or complex carbohydrates. Simple carbohydrates that come from sugar sources digest slower than the good carbohydrates, and this is one of the things that leads to weight gain. Having the right types of nutrients in your diet, including carbohydrates and fats, will help to promote weight loss in a healthy way. Protein supplements can benefit your weight loss diet. Protein supplements can be used if you are afraid to get too many high-calorie foods in your diets, but want to make sure that you are getting all of the nutrients that you need, including protein. Many people like using protein supplements as meal replacements, and there are also all kinds of delicious snack foods that are high in protein, including protein bars that taste just like regular chocolate bars. There are many different sources of protein that are used in protein supplements. Whey is very popular, because it is easy to digest and it begins working almost immediately. Casein is also popular, and like whey, it is a milk derivative. Both whey and casein are byproducts of the cheese-making process. Other proteins that are popular for many supplements include soy, the only plant-based protein that is a complete protein, rice, and egg proteins. If you want to include protein supplements into your weight loss diet, there are all kinds of options available to you. Many people like using liquid protein supplements, because they can either be used in drinks that you make yourself, or you can buy shakes and smoothies that are already pre-packaged and ready to take with you in a hurry. Other popular protein supplements include protein powders and liquid protein shots. Protein powders. There are many different protein powders available, and the one you choose will ultimately depend on your taste and any food allergies or intolerances you may have. For instance, whey and casein are wonderful protein supplements, but because they are milk derivatives, they may not be the supplement of choice for those who are lactose intolerant. But on the other hand, if you are able to digest dairy, whey and casein are both complete proteins. Rice protein is great, because it is hypoallergenic and is popular with vegetarians. Another popular choice is soy, which is a complete protein, containing all of the essential and non-essential amino acids. Liquid protein shots. These are great because they are small, portable, and low-calorie. One popular protein shot is ProfectR by Protica, which only has 100 calories per 2.9-ounce serving. ProfectR doesn't have any carbohydrates or fats and provides 25 grams of protein in every serving. ProfectR is also loaded with other nutrients, including 100% of the daily recommended amount of vitamin C and 50% of the B-complex vitamins. and it comes in a variety of delicious flavors, including blue raspberry, grapefruit mango, and fresh citrus berry. There are many other types of protein supplements available, and if you are unsure which one is best for your weight loss, it is best to discuss it with a physician, a nutritionist, or a dietitian. With their help, you will be able to come up with a weight loss diet plan that will work for you and will not leave you feeling hungry and unsatisfied.